Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the Nearby Share on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s device. First, you need to open the control panel and find here Nearby Share, click and hold on it. Cool, here you can rename your device, you can make your device visible for contacts or for everyone. I'll use this mode. Then you need to change your data usage mode. You need to choose your data usage mode. For example, without internet it's only Bluetooth mode, Wi-Fi only it's only Wi-Fi mode, and data includes data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes. So now just enable Nearby Share option, and now you can send data, you can receive data. For example, I want to receive image from my another device. I use Share button, More button and Nearby button. Tap on it, wait a while, and on our Xiaomi device click on popped up message, choose Allow and tap on Hearts Redmi on another device and choose Accept on your Redmi device. So cool, image was sent. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye!